Hello, this is a sample video recorded using the front-facing camera of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip in 4K 60 frames per second. So what do you think? Can you use this for vlogging? Let me know your thoughts. Just walking around. Check out the colors. Say about the audio and the stabilization. Okay. Great. So one of the coolest features of this video recorder is the auto HDR for videos, which should give you better colors, highlights, and shadows, even when there's extreme contrast in terms of lighting. Great. Awesome. And apparently you can now flip your video recorder from the front-facing camera to the rear cam. So let's try that out. It's really handy for vlogging, right? Good. Great. So I'm now here at the Grand Hyatt in BGC, and I've just attended the local Unpacked event of Samsung for the launch of the Samsung Galaxy S20 series. So that's the Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, and S20 Ultra. And they also launched, officially introduced this phone, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. This is actually the most premium of the bunch. Okay. Great. Thumbs up.